I'm Dr. Bernie Han. I'm the professor of Business Information Systems.
And I'm Dr. Sherry Phelan. I'm from Bronson School of Nursing at the College of Health and Human Services.
And today we want to introduce you about a new major which will be available in fall 2012. This new major is Health Informatics and Information Management. Dr. Phelan, would you like to say a few words about the basic requirement for this new major?
The basic requirements of this new major is we have prerequisite courses that need to be taken, and then we have the core courses and specialty tracks, which is 51 to 55 credit hours.
So this major does require more credit hours, particularly focused on healthcare, health informatics, and health information technology, which include courses from the CIS program.
Why did we design this program, this major?
Yes, I would like Dr. Phelan, you talk about the reason we designed this new major.
Okay. We have found that because of the national initiative to have the electronic health record in place for healthcare organizations, that it's created a demand in our society for people with a skill set who can work with two things: work in healthcare and then work with business information systems. The stressors come from two different areas: the clinicians who use the systems and the people who design them. We're bringing the students together to have information and knowledge in both of these aspects so they can help create systems to satisfy the workflow of the clinicians and the people who use the systems so they can get the information that they need to provide care.
And also we want the CIS major or any business major understand that there is a huge need in healthcare. So if they can choose this major, then they can complement their study by understanding more about the healthcare informatics, so they can use their business skills to join this industry.
There are many career opportunities that can come as a result of taking this major. And Dr. Han is going to talk about a few, and then I'll follow up with a few.
Yeah, so if you are a business student, you consider to have this HiiM major, your future career could be a healthcare information system manager. You could also be a specialist to manage the hospital ERP system, and you can be a consultant. And also you can design the health information system as a system architect. And more importantly, this is the major involved with a huge number of organizations and patients, so you have to have the management skills so you can be a healthcare system administrator.
There's also, if you're taking this major and you are also a clinician, you can get into the clinical analyst role as well as being a director of health information administration and a patient information coordinator. Now there's a variety of workplaces for people who complete this major. Not only can you find career opportunities in hospitals and acute care, but you can also go to ambulatory care facilities. You might find a career in the physician's offices or managed care organizations. Additionally, there are opportunities for you in healthcare information system vendor organizations as well, with the government, with pharmaceutical companies, insurance providers, and many more.
So because the number of different positions available in healthcare industry, and when we design this new curriculum, we do consider specialty tracks. At this moment, college business has offered 3 different tracks. The first focus on value-added data analysis, called Data Analytics track. The second focus on information network configuration, so that's Health Information Networking track. The third will be provided by for any business majors they care about healthcare industry, then they can join the management track.
And then from the College of Health and Human Services, we do have one track that consists of about 5 courses, and the track is called Human Services. So it's a different perspective. We're looking at administrative functions of healthcare, healthcare systems and the environment, and issues in health and human services, to name a few.
Then you may wonder how can you really join this new major, and we want to tell you that this new major does require something different than other majors. And so the major differences, you will be taking 18 to 21 credit hours pre-HiiM courses, and before you join this major, your GPA has to be 2.75 or above, and every single course you take in the pre-HiiM courses has to be above C.
So what does this require from the student? To meet these goals so you can graduate on a timely basis, we want you to be able to contact an advisor early on so you know exactly what the requirements are, so you can be selecting courses that are going to apply to the major, and that you are aware of the requirements so you can be just as successful as possible.
So the main places you can go to, first you can contact the student advising offices, which will be available at both College Health Human Service and also the Hayward College of Business. In addition, Dr. Sherry Fallon and myself are the co-director of this new major, so we can be contacted. My telephone number is 269-387-5428.
And my telephone number is 269-387-8166.
The curriculum also have a minor, which will be available for any academic majors at Western Michigan University.
We look forward to seeing you soon.